So the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is equal to 28. What are the numbers? So first of all, we need to make sure that we know what we're looking for. We're looking for two numbers, and then we need to set a variable. We don't want to set two variables here. We just want to make one variable for this problem. Okay, so we're going to let x equal the first number. Okay, so if x is the first number, what's the next consecutive odd number? Okay, what do I have to do to get the next odd number? Well, I can do this. I can let x plus 2 equal the second number. Now, this doesn't ensure that this is odd, because this could describe an even number, but this should still solve our problem as long as the problem is still going to give us the proper. There's two odd numbers that equal to 28. Now, to set up this problem, then we need to then make an equation. So we have two consecutive odd numbers equal to 28. So there's our equation. So we're going to let our consecutive odd numbers, so x plus 2, and that's going to equal 28. Okay, and then we just solve for x. Once we have the equation, so we want to first make sure you understand the steps here, make sure you know what you're looking for. You need to state a variable. Okay, if we have more than two things that we're looking for, we need to state the second unknown in terms of the first unknown. Okay, and once we do that, we can then look for the equation, set up an equation, and once we have set up the equation, we need to solve the equation. Okay, so then we subtract 2 from both sides. We have 2x equals 26. X is equal to 13. X plus 2 then, so our first number is equal to 13. Our second number must then be 15. Okay, so then we solve the problem. The two numbers are, okay, two numbers are 13 and 15. Okay, so this next problem, a boy is 28 years younger than his father. Okay, what is the sum of the sum of their ages is 54. So it doesn't actually explicitly ask the problem, but we're basically trying to find the age of the boy and his father. Okay, so we're gonna have to let x equal. So we're looking for ages. So we're either going to let x be the boy's age or the father's age. I'm going to let x be the boy's age. Okay, and make sure you're clear that it's the age that we're looking for. And so the father, to describe his father's age, we're just going to add 28 to the x. Okay, so once we've done that, we're going to come up with our equation. Our equation is the sum of their ages is 54. So we're going to do x plus 28, so the boy's age plus the father's age equals 54. Once we have the equation, we can solve that equation fairly easily. We're going to subtract 28 from both sides. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Okay, so the boy's age looks like the boy's age is 13, and then the father's age. Okay, so the boy's age equals 13. The father's age would then be 41. We check our answer, 13 plus 41 is 54. Yeah, that looks like the right ages for the boy and the father.